Good day again. This is Miriam, and today we're going to discuss about Acorn RISC machine architecture. So, hopefully, at the end of the video, you should be able to explain the fundamental design principles of ARM and describe how its reduced instruction set differs from other architectures, and also recognize its key advantages in terms of performance, efficiency, and application in the modern devices. So let me introduce to you about ARM, or what we call Acorn RISC machine, or ARM, the foundation of modern computing. So, the architecture we know as ARM has a surprisingly humble beginning. It was first conceived in the 1980s by a British company called Acorn Computers. Their goal was straightforward. They needed a new, powerful, yet affordable processor for the next computer generation. They achieved this by fully committing to the RISC design philosophy, which fundamentally reshaped the processor market. So this technology was so successful, it eventually spun out to become its own influential company, ARM Holdings, which is now simply known as ARM Ltd. So the ARM architecture from Acorn to global dominance. So to understand more about RAM, we must first understand the difference between RISC and CISC, or complex instruction set computing, historically used by desktop processors, and it focuses on powerful single instructions that do a lot of work. So the CPU logic is complex and requiring more power and generating more heat. However, in ARM's RISC approach, it's quite the opposite. It actually uses a reduced set of simple fixed length instruction. So, by keeping this instruction simple, the processor core is actually simpler, faster, and most importantly, incredibly efficient. This is the core advantage. ARM prioritizes getting the most work done for the least amount of power, making it the champion of the battery powered world. So, where is ARM today? Today, ARM's original goal has exploded its global dominance. It powers nearly every device in your pocket, your smartphone, your tablet, your smartwatch. Why? It is because of the wrist efficiency. But ARM Ltd is unusual. They don't manufacture these chips. They actually license the core blueprints or intellectual property to their partners. This unique licensing model allow major companies like Apple or Qualcomm to take the core ARM design and customize it for their exact hardware needs, whether it could be a small sensor or a high performance laptop chip like an Apple M series. So, to quickly summarize, the Acorn RISC machine set the standard for efficiency in computing. Its design means that every time you use a mobile device, you are using the outcome of that core decision made back in the 1980s to prioritize the risk philosophy. So the market has its powers, from tiny IoT sensors to a powerful custom processor. It is a testament to the power of designing for simplicity and efficiency. So the defining characteristic of ARM architecture is that its focus is on power efficiency, simplicity, and low heat generation. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you're able to understand what is Acorn RISC machine architecture. Here is the resources I've used, and until next time, bye bye.